Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. I'm your host today, Uncle Paulie. About a month and a half back, I put out an announcement for a movie TV build-off. The guidelines were you could use any 1/64th casting. You must build it from scratch. You can use any decals or any 3D parts that you want to make your build look more realistic. Now we're going to go through and see what the folks submitted. And if you could, vote in the comments, but only vote once by number. Let's go ahead and have some fun. Here we've got Chris Barta. Built a car from the Beverly Hillbillies. Look at the detail on this vehicle. Here's an AMC Pacer from the movie Wayne's World. What a great representation of this car. Fantastic build, Gary. Here's another one by Gary Tasker. An abandoned Starsky and Hutch car. What a cool build. Excellent. Here we've got John Sellers building a car from the California Kid. What an amazing build. Good work, John. Here we got Johnny Farhaj, Johnny V, Tassie John, down in Australia, Tasmania, built a car from Cobra. Here, Spencer Fessing built a car from the TV series Rat Patrol. My dad absolutely loved this show. Here's John McCabe building a Herbie the Love Bug as it crossed the finish line in one of the Herbie movies. Mark Anthony submits Christine. What a beautiful build, and built from scratch too, folks. This isn't from the store. Here's Devil's Details Diecast. Jamie built a car from Tommy Boy. Look at the detail on this car. It's amazing. Here, Neil Cummings built a car from the Transformers movies. Excellent. Here, Nava Fishman-Chari built a pickup truck from Star Trek IV. Talk about building out of the box. Here's an entry from William Russellburg. This is the car that Jules drove in the movie Pulp Fiction. What a great job. Here we've got an entry from NorCal Customs. Herbie the Love Bug. What a beautiful paint job on this car. Fantastic. Here's a dual entry from Les Jenkins. Les put together the cars from Ford versus Ferrari. What a great job. Here we've got the truck from Over the Top from Full Custom Diecast. Brad did a great job on this build. Look at the detail. And here we've got this beautiful Corvette from the Elvis movie Clam Bake. Ron at Somo Diecast did a fantastic job. Here's my take on the movie TV build. The Deathmobile from Animal House. Now my car does not count in the voting. Only vote once by number in the comments. And in 2 weeks we'll do a calculation and we'll see who gets the most votes. And whoever gets the most votes is going to win a brand new airbrush. Now my vote only counts in the event of a tiebreaker. What a fantastic build this has been. This is Uncle Paulie for Diecast Graveyard. I want to thank you so much for joining me. I've had a great time with these builds, and we got a new build coming up here very, very soon. So please stand by for that. Have a great day, vote only once, and cheers.